Today we're going to shoot part 3 of our 3-part video series. Parts 1 and part 2 are on the Richmar 4-channel combo, their use and application. Today we're going to, this video is exclusively on the Autosound head. So we're going to show it off and show you how to use it. Okay? So for starters, we're going to plug our Autosound head in, and just like all the other sound heads, you have a connector cord that has an arrow on one side and not on the other. The arrow goes up and it goes back into your connection for your applicators in the back of the Richmar 4-channel combo. This is this little cradle holder right here, and when it comes out, I'm going to demonstrate the crystals for beginners, and then we're going to turn it on and put it on. So when we turn our Autosound on, start, turn it up. So you have 4 crystals. I don't know if you can see that or not. Each crystal takes a turn on coming on, and it moves 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't go back the other way. Okay, now there's some reasoning for that. Okay, so if it went back and forth, you'd be getting twice as much in the center as you would on both ends. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives you a nice even distribution of your ultrasound. So between that and the strap-on kit, which gives you 3 different sizes, you have the blue, which is the small, the gray, and the black. So there are varying lengths on your strap-on kit, and they just move through a 360-degree swivel adapter. The adapter comes apart, snaps apart rather easily, and there's your Autosound head, and that is your adapter kit. Okay, so the adapter kit just snaps back on and snaps right through your 2 openings, and there it is. So you have a 360-degree swivel. Alright, so that makes it easy to apply. These are your Autosound gels. Okay, so the Autosound gels, once you open one up, it's a thick, it's actually jelloed ultrasound gel. It goes right here in the gel well. Okay, and this goes, of course, in place of ultrasound gel. Alright, so as soon as you strap it on, you put that down and you Velcro it together. Alright, and you're ready to go. We'll go over the instructions on the Autosound in just a moment, but strapping the Autosound in place with the Autosound gel is very important. Okay, if you choose not to use the strapping kit, we include one of these sandbags in, and the sandbag can just go over top depending on the body area and the placement, and the sandbag should hold down your Autosound head with your Autosound gel in place. Okay? Alright, so what you need next is we're going to go over your lead cord. One of the neat things about the Richmar Autosound combo is almost every other machine has a dedicated output. Whether it's a 2-channel, one of the 2, or a 4-channel, one of the 4 is dedicated to ultrasound and your combo mode. Here with the Richmar, any one of the 4 channels can be your Autosound channel or your ultrasound channel. Here we're going to pick channel 1, and you take the red, there's a red and a white pin, so you take the red of whatever channel you've selected and you plug it in the back. Miss Jennifer, can you get an up close of this? This is your stem, your input. Let's see what they call that. They call that combo input on the back, and the red simply goes into the combo input. Alright, it's that simple. So we'll come back here. And the other part of the channel goes on a sticky electrode, and it goes on in the area of treatment. It goes on the patient. Okay, so at this point we have our ultrasound head strapped in place wherever you're going to use it, and we have the other side of the lead cord is on a sticky electrode on the patient. So I'm just going to connect it by holding it together here, and then we come over to your machine. So the top part is the ultrasound, and here we have AS for Autosound. That's the Autosound head. So your AS is selected, and we're going to start and increase your intensity. So we've got 1 watt per centimeter squared, and now I'm going to go down here and start your stem, the other side. And since this is a combo, I'm going to choose pre-mod. We don't choose quadrupolar because we're not going to set up 4, we're just going to set up 2. This is 1 and this one is 2. So we have a 2 pad. This Autosound head is doubling as an electrode pad and an Autosound head. So for it to do its job, we're going to select, I'm choosing pre-mod, start, turn up my intensity. I feel that right there, that's pretty strong, and we hit our start, and we're rolling. I have ultrasound and stem coming through the head of the Autosound head, and we have our electrode here all connected up, and I can reproduce this in channels 2, 3, or 4 if you like. Thank you.
Sorry?